see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Ito na yung mga bata, guys. Ayun na. Gabi kasi.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Ayan na, guys. Dito na kami sa Harbour Bridge. Ayan siya. Bukas, diyan kami ni Pompol magdi-dinner sa... Ayan. Busy. Wala pa na na? So, Harbour Bridge, di ba?
Gagano'n tayo opera house. Tapos daan na Pampal.
Maraming gimikan dito, guys. Bukas diyan kami magdi-dinner. Guys, andito kami sa Circular Quay. Circular Quay palang tawag dito. Tapos makikita nyo yung Harbour Bridge. Ayun. Ayun, guys.
But you're miles away, miles away. Looking back on us.
Ate, tapos ito may mga gimikan sila, oh. Ang ganda ng weather, hindi siya malamig na malamig, hindi rin siya mainit, tamang-tama lang. Si Holly, yung mga bata, pagod na. Ayan, bukas dyan. Pompal, anong oras tayo dyan bukas? So, gabi? Ganitong oras? 6 o'clock. Ha? Gabi, kasi magano tayo. Papa! Say hi! Yehey! Yes, look! Wow, si Daddy? Si Daddy, say hi! Look! Wow! Say bye! Bye! Say bye! Oops! Bye! Say bye! Bye! Nagbababay siya dun sa boat. Yes, where's your milk? Pompa niya, guys. Ayan siya. Ayan si Holly, oh. Say hi! Ganda. Very relaxing talaga siya. Okay, come on. Come on, Baba. Here, Baba. Ooh. Ooh. There, Baba, look. Look at the bridge. Ooh. There, look at Mommy. Baba. Hi. Say hi. Holly. Baba, come here. Hoy. Say hi. You're right, Baba? Hi. Hi, Holly. Where's my Holly girl? Hi, Baba. Holly. Ooh. Where's that, Baba? Oh, Baba. Oh. Where are you going, Mama? Oh, look. Oh. Holly, dito lang, Baba. Holly. Oh, watch out. Ayan si Opera House, guys. Kita nyo? Ayun. Hi! Say hi! Say hi! Hi! Ganda dito, guys. So,
It's been a couple years since I've seen your face. Wonder what you're up to now. Yeah, my head is clear.
may ano dito, guys. May bar. May patugtugan dito. Meron, ayan. Meron dyan na, ano, parang banda-banda, inuman. Ang ganda. Oh, ang ganda niya. Dito ka pong pala. Hi! Hello! Muni-muni. Hi, ate! Papa? No? Stay ka, Papa?
Bye-bye.
At yan yung opera house, guys. Oh. Naman pala siya. Ay.
Can you tell me how they still know me? So silly of me to tell you. Yes, I found separate us.
Ang ganda.
Now and then, we'll let the memories fade to dust. Baby, remember when we were
Ayan yung itsura. Yan ang itsura ng opera house. Sa loob. Ano pala siya? Parang siyang restaurant. Restaurant pala yung dyan. May pa-dinner din, no? Na-curious kasi ako, guys, kung ano yung nakita ko doon sa baba. Na may, parang may mga chandelier na bilog. Basta may pabilog-bilog sila dyan. Yung pala, ano pala siya? Restaurant na sosyalin. Ayan. Na sosyalin, guys. Tingnan yung view. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ayan ang view natin. Ang ganda. Ayan, baba na tayo, guys. Nakita ko na kung ano yung malapita sa opera house. Ano, sosyalin na pa-dinner. Parang restaurant, tapos ano,
through the night, moonwood on our side. Once upon a time, once upon a time, as high as the sun in the sky, crossing on lines. Once upon a time, open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Volkan! Volkan! Saan ka? Saan ka? As mo po, Volkan. Magbabas kami, guys. Okay? Okay. Guys, natry na namin lahat ng transportation from taxi, van, ano pa, Pampal? Uber, tapos train. Train. Tapos ito, bus. And ang the best, itong bus kasi libre. Hindi na kami nagbayad. Then, saan tayo bababa? Elizabeth. Maghanap kayo guys na Starbucks tsaka makakainan or take away na Japanese food. Kasi gusto namin mag-ramen. Try natin. I know, right? Kumain lang kami kanina pero magra-ramen pa rin kami. Time check, ano na guys? 10? 10 na? 10 o'clock? 10:37? 9:37. So yan, hanap tayo ng Starbucks. Yung mga bata, ano na, kapoy na. Ay, si Olo. Ay, si ate. Ate! Can you see yourself? Lalakad pa kami guys. Guys, pagod na kami. After 1.5 hours, finally nahanap ko na rin namin yung Starbucks or yung Japanese restaurant. Mula sila yung tawag yun? Ramen. Meron silang udon. Silang noodles. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig ako ang ingay dito. So anyway, it's 11 o'clock, 11:20. 10:30. So yun sila, bumibili na siya ng coffee niya. Ako siguro mag-ano ko, bubble tea or cocoa. Milk tea na lang ako. Si Holly tulog na. Are you alright, ate? What you gonna have? You have mini?
We have sold off.
That's the one I'm looking for.
That's half sugar.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's nice.
Kano daw? Bingi na ako. Guys, wala na sila yung ano. Pearl tea. Ito na lang. Rainbow. Thank you. Alam mo, hindi ko ito maiinom. Doon na lang. Kasi matatapon. Matatapon. Kasi maghanap pa tayo ng makakainan. Maghanap pa kami ng makakainan. Guys, may nahanap na kaming ano. Tapos sabi namin kasi yung ano niya, yung title, yung name niya ng ano, Make Your Water Mo. Tapos sabi ni Pompol, ano naman to? Parang mali na, green na siya. Sabi ko, hindi pagkain kasi, ayan o. May pagkain siya guys, ayan. Bukas pa sila. Anong oras na po?
Pwede na pasok.
Pasok guys. Make your mouth water. Si ano, silap talaga. Ang kala niya ano. Ayan guys, eto siya.
So we'll eat now.
Manap tayo na. Dito na tayo kain Pompal. Okay, kain muna kami dito guys. May something lang. Ayan ang ano niya, pangalan. So, yun. I would like to have sweet potato
sweet potato noodles.
Is it good?
It's very good.
Yeah, is it spicy as well?
Spicy.
Yeah. Good, thank you.
So, normal spicy or hot spicy? Hot spicy.
Hot spicy. Where are you second? Philippines.
Oh, Philippines.
Yeah, do you have pearl milk tea? Pearls?
Which one?
Oh no, you don't have. No, it's alright. So yeah, I'm just gonna have that one. Thank you.
So,
Ayan guys, yung ang tawag dito sweet potato noodles spicy, as in extra spicy siya guys. Kasi hindi ko lang bet yung ano nila. Oh, ayan oh, rusty siya yung pompon. Tingnan natin, gutom na kami. Kain. Alam mo kung ba't nagustuhan ko to? Kasi para siyang sutang.
Yung masarap ito rin para sa kanina rin. Malita mo yung concept sa
Yun hindi unfair. Bongga talaga. Tsaka nahanap na tayo. Gusto ko talaga pang lasa dito sa mga soup.
Mama, she can stand.
Coriander. Parang sabon. Sabon. Yeah. Kainin mo. Kainin mo. Ano ka mo? Buti hindi pa sila nagreklamo dito. Masarap. Masarap siya, guys. Guys. Madumi. Madumi tingnan yung plato. Plato kasi
Don't
ano
judge
siya?
them by itself.
Ano kasi yung plato, guys, yung rusty na ba na nagtitil. Alam mo yung, yung mga kaldero kawali natin na non-sticky.
Tumblers.
Sarap yung tom yun.
Is this mine? Where's the spoon?
Chili spoon?
No chili.
No, spoon.
Oh,
Ayan. Masarap siya pa. Ano kay Pompa? Ano yan, Pompa?
Spicy beef noodles.
Si ate, ano yan ate?
Dumpling noodles.
Tom yum soup. Ayan.
Kaya mo lang kami kasi gutom na talaga.
Kakalakar.
It's been a couple years since I've seen your face. Wonder what you're up to now. Yeah, my head is still up in space. I guess I never came down. I can tell you that I've changed a bit though, not too much since then. We were always rebellious kids. Do you remember when we were riding through the night? Moon was on our side. Once upon a time. Once upon a time.
Guys, nakabalik na kami dito sa munting tahanan namin for 3 days. Ni phone pala yun siya, oh. Nagtatanggal na ng contacts. So, yeah, I will close this vlog, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. See ya, Holly. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow. Flying kiss, Baba. Holly. Holly, ate. Flying kiss. Flying kiss, Holly. Like may makeup si Holly. Okay, good night, guys.
It's been a couple years since I've seen your face. Wonder what you're up to now. Yeah, my head is still up in space. I guess I never came down. I can tell you that I've changed a bit though, not too much since then. We were always rebellious kids. Do you remember when we were riding through the night? Moon was on our side. Once upon a time. Once upon a time. Crossing all lines. Once upon a time. Once upon a time. Do you recall the promises we used to make back then? Can you tell me how they